Can I set this boundary? Here's my dilemma with my coworker. She's facing legal issues and claims her parole prohibits her from serving alcohol. Last Sunday, during a hectic shift, I made drinks for her customers. She didn't give me any tips and only bussed a couple of my tables. This Sunday, I'm scheduled to work with her again. I'm contemplating telling her that if a customer orders alcohol, I'll take the table. Or she has to inform the customers that she can't serve their drinks. My boss is waiting for an answer from her parole officer, urging us to collaborate. But a 12-month parole that restricts her from this aspect of her job? It seems like a lot. Am I being unreasonable if I set this boundary and stop making drinks for her? I could really use some input.